I just want to say to the rib place, when you have the sides, don't do extra stuff. Just make coleslaw, baked beans, macaroni and cheese. Don't put raisins and cinnamon and extra garlic pieces and all that in the coleslaw, because then it becomes like a minestrone. Baked beans, all this hamburger meat, all this ground up hamburger meat, all these peppers, and I just want baked beans. I didn't say, may I have stew? The macaroni and cheese with all this green stuff. I don't know, was it green peppers in it? Macaroni and cheese and green peppers. I don't want to have to pick through my food for 45 minutes before I get to it, and then it's this much left. The greens. You can cook the greens in the smoked turkey or whatever you're going to cook with, but quit breaking the meat up and putting it all through the greens. Give me the option if I want the meat with the greens. I just might want the greens. I can't stand when it's a green meat convention. What's that, Uncle Mario? When the meat is all in the greens. It's like horrible. It's really horrific to do this to people. Just cook greens. Just cook coleslaw, regular coleslaw, the cabbage with the carrots and the coleslaw mix. Put it in the refrigerator. Put a teaspoon of sugar in there and call it a day. Quit putting ham and roast beef and tuna salad in the coleslaw. It's not applicable. Stop. I'm going to tase you. I'm just saying. And the baked beans. Stop putting hamburger helper in there. Like Taco Bell taco meat. And the baked beans. Just regular baked beans. Regular baked beans. Jeez.